I'm just kidding. Check it out, boys. Check it out. We got the new Halos in. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble wiring it. I mean, it's just a plug and play, you know, but to get the Halos working, I have to, like, I don't know. I gotta actually read the instructions. Y'all saw him. I got some Halos in. I was actually supposed to work today. I went, and then I get there, and they're like, "You're off today." I was like, "What the fuck? Why no one tell me? Why was it on the schedule?" I mean, it's whatever, though. I got a little day off. I didn't think I was gonna get a day off till freaking 4th of July, and I was gonna have to wait till Saturday. And I probably wouldn't have even been able to put them on because there was gonna be parties everywhere, especially around this area. You feel me? But hey, we're gonna get them on. Hopefully, I mean, I'm gonna figure out regardless, but hopefully they look cool. I already know they're gonna look cool, but stay tuned, boys. First, we gotta take off the bumper. I'm not gonna take it off completely because all we gotta do is expose the little bolt under the headlight, and then just, and it should be easy.
Bruh.
Alright, boys, bumpers off pretty much. Just gotta take off the top ones right here. 2 bottom ones down here. Oh shit, I'm not even recording. 2 bottom ones down here. And then they come off. Take the harness off, put the harness in, do the little wiry. And we got Halos, boys.
Boy, if you don't... What?
Look at this dude. I got it on there. Halos turn on. I don't have the HID little lights or whatever. I still got the yellow bulbs or whatever. Halogen, I don't know what you call them, whatever. But compared to that nasty thing, oh my god.
Why you bullying me?
Yo, it looks so much better. I'm gonna go somewhere dark right now just to show you guys, because right now it's hella early, so there's no way I'm about to see these Halos. Oh my god, it looks cool though. But I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below, how can I get the Halos to run by themselves, like just during the day? Let me know down below, because I want to do that for sure. Let me put the other one on. Oh my god, it actually looks pretty cool. It looks way better, look. Oh my god, it's gonna look sick. But let me know how I can get the Halos running all the time, boys, because I need those. I think I need to get the auto switch, right? Like the 3 switches for the thing, you know, the auto, on, and then the high beams or fog lights or whatever. And then the one you can pull out, you know, the little thing. Here, let me show you. This thing right here, I think I need to get another one of these, and then like the little sun thing so it go auto, or I don't know. Let me know though, for sure. Let me put the other one on, and then I'm gonna go somewhere dark. I'll show you guys when I get somewhere dark, because I mean, easy installation, boys. Alright, boys, I came to a parking garage. Gotta do this quick. Oh shit, I gotta turn them on. Let me see. Let me show you guys, because it's kind of dark in here, so you guys can actually see. That's what they look like, boys. They look pretty good. Oh my god. I just want to be able to run them alone though. So let me know how I can get that, boys. I think I need a Euro switch or whatever. But they look pretty cool. They look cool regardless. New Halos, new Halos. Let me know what you guys think down below though. You know I have to do it. You know I have to do it. was kind of weak. I know I haven't I think I showed you a little bit of the headlights, but before I start with anything, boys, okay, look, I'm not gonna say I'm not myself, because I'm myself, but I'm still getting comfortable with the camera. But little by little, boys, you guys are gonna start seeing me turn to myself, you know what I mean? It sounds cringe, but like,
fuck you, kid.
it sounds cringe, but like, I don't know, boys. I just say fuck it, bro. The more and more I get comfortable with the camera, the more and more you guys are gonna start hearing like random shit. You guys are gonna probably think I'm tweaking or something, but nah, just chill. But look, I got myself a little strawberry smoothie type of thing. Okay, nothing came out, but look. Euro switch. Hopefully this turns on the halos by itself. If it doesn't, oh, I'm gonna have to go into wiring, bruh, and I don't want to wire like crazy. But look, I got my old one. I got it brushed right here, or like silver, because I want to get the silver here. Oh shit, sorry boys. Silver here, silver everywhere. It'll be the silver. What? Hello. All right. If you don't know how to take this off, very simple. Push it in, twist to the right.
Boy!
Okay, hold up. I did that wrong. Okay, push it in like that. Oh, hold up. It's in there. It's in there. That's what she said. Oh, it's already, okay, I already did it. Okay, push it in and then turn it to the right. How do you disconnect it though? Hold up. All right, disconnect the two clips, and then here you go. Here's the old one. I know I didn't show you the clips, but you'll see them, boys. You'll see them. Look, oh my God, if I have to really show you guys. There's one, and then the other one's on this side. You just push it in and it comes out. Okay, hold up. Cause it's hard to record and do this stuff, boys. And then you just, oh my God, no way. All right, that should be kind of a good angle. It's okay, boys. I don't like this. Just insert this one in there. Come on, man. Don't be shy. Oh shoot. I don't want to unplug it. There we go. One side in, and the other side in. Okay, it is working. Okay, there we go. And then you just push it back in, and it's in there. So do you guys think it looks better than my old one? Let me know what you guys think. Okay, moment of truth. Oh. Okay, hopefully, okay, I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go check it out. Alright, I don't even know what the fuck that did. I need to wait till nighttime because I can't even see the lights on right now. It does look better though, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It feels a little bit chunkier too, because this one's a little petite. And then this is more like a BBW type of thing. Or slim thick. Let's just say slim thick. I guess that sounds better, right? Yo, what up, boys? If my hair's kind of messy, ignore it, boys. I just got out the shower, but I just wanted to show you guys. Look, I didn't even show you guys, but look. Oh God, I can't even turn the camera. It's kind of dark, so just ignore the darkness. But look, just ignore that sound too. But look, I put the freaking Euro switch on the first setting. Let me show you what lights turn on. It pretty much just turns on the halos with like, I don't even know what light that is, but yo, it looks so good though. I know you guys can't really see at all, but damn. It's pretty much the halos though, so this is pretty much what I wanted to see, dude. And then let me turn on, and then the next one pretty much just turns on the lights. Alright, setting 2, oh my God, that freaking noise is so annoying. Setting 2 pretty much is not on because I need to turn on the car.
You stupid.
Alright boys, this is pretty much setting 2. It is just the lights, you know. Oh my God, it's out of focus. Hold up. There we go. It's just pretty much the lights, boys. You know what I mean? And you can low-key see the halos, which look pretty dang good. Hopefully I have a good picture of these for the thumbnail. If not, then I'll have to take one before I post the video, but it's pretty much good. It's good coverage. I'm pretty sure I need to adjust them, or like aim them because they're kind of low. But other than that, boys, they look super nice, bruh. I just like the first setting. Let me show you guys again. This is definitely the better setting, just because, oh my God. Look at the freaking halos, bro. Anyways, boys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.